Good morning, everyone. I am Dr. Vidya Seshan, Head of the Department of Fundamentals and Administration. As a part of induction program, I'm going to present Department of General Information. First of all, let me welcome you all. It's my great honor to welcome you all in our College of Nursing family. Working hours and holidays. We start work from 8 o'clock until 4. If faculty go for clinical teaching, the clinical starts from 7 o'clock. All public holidays of Oman will be holiday for us. We are entitled for 60 days of annual leave per year. Normally, we avail this annual leave during summer semester. 10 days emergency leave is permitted in the event of death of immediate family member. But when we come back, the certificate needs to be attested by Ministry of Foreign Affairs in Oman. Any leave needs to be applied through the online system. Once we come back from leave, we have to submit leave return through online. Reporting sickness and absence arrangements. Normally, the course coordinators directly contact with the head of the department. If it is a clinical day, the clinical instructors will arrange replacement, coordinate with course coordinator, and will inform the head of the department. Communication practices, we always follow the chain of communication. If it is related clinical, the lecturer will communicate with course coordinator and course coordinator to head of the department, and from head of the department to assistant dean for clinical affairs. If it is related to theory, course coordinator will contact head of the department. Head of the department communicate to assistant dean for undergraduate studies. If it's related personal, we can directly contact the head of the department. But all communication should be through head of the department. Ordering resources and budget. This process will be initiated from head of the department. We can submit yearly the resources we need for teaching directly to head of the department, and head of the department in turn submit to the head of dean for further action. Handing over during leave. While going for leave, lecturers or the clinical instructors make sure to hand over all the course file to the course coordinator. Course coordinator has to submit the whole file to the head of the department. All reports related to the course needs to be submitted to head of the department before you leave. Advisee file has to be handed over to one of the faculty who is not on leave during your vacation, and this needs to be informed to the advisee whom to contact while you are on leave. Related to social and supportive activities, we have social committee in the College of Nursing. We conduct social gathering during the year through, like end of semester potluck, welcome party, farewell party, etc. Related to the mentoring practices, once you reach to College of Nursing, head of the department will allocate a mentor for every faculty. The concerned faculty will mentor you intensively for 4 months and will be with you ongoing until a year. There is a form needs to be filled by you and as a mentee and the faculty mentor at the end of the mentorship, like 4 months, and this will be submitted through head of the department to dean's office. Clinical and theory supervision and guidelines. It depends on the position. Example, like as if you are a lecturer, you will be in the clinical area for 18 hours per week. And if you are assistant professor, you will be taking maximum 12 credit per semester. So here each 1 credit is equal to 1 hour. If taken clinical course coordination, overall supervision in the clinical will be your responsibility. and orientation to the clinical area we'll be providing as part of the induction program once you reach to College of Nursing. Thank you so much for listening, and if you have any queries, you can ask Dr. Huda, Assistant Dean for Training and Community Service. Thank you once again.